In this video, you'll learn how to create a drop servicing website using WordPress. This guide will take you through the necessary steps from setting up your site to customizing it according to your needs. Begin by navigating to the WordPress.com homepage. You can do this by entering the URL into your web browser. Once the page loads, look for the Sites option in the main menu. This is typically located on the left side of your screen. Click on Sites to proceed to the next step. Next, find the button labeled Create with AI. This button will initiate the process of setting up your new website. After clicking it, you should see a message indicating that the foundations of your website are being laid. This step is crucial as it prepares the back end for your site. Once this message appears, you will need to wait for the AI to load. Depending on your internet speed, this may take a moment. A loading indicator may be visible during this time, so be patient while the system processes your request. After the AI has finished loading, a prompt will appear that states, "Make a website as unique as you." Here you will begin the customization process. Type in, "Create a drop servicing website" in the appropriate field to specify your site's purpose. Following this, click on the Enter button to confirm your entry. You should see a confirmation message indicating that WordPress.com can indeed create a drop servicing website. This confirmation is essential to ensure that the system acknowledges your request. Next, you will need to choose from the options presented above. Type in your selection and then click on Enter again. This action will finalize your choice and move you to the next stage of the setup process. You will then see a message asking for your website's title, which is displayed in the Browser tab. Type in the desired name for your site and again click Enter to confirm your entry. It is important to select a name that reflects your services. After that, you will be prompted to provide a tagline or description that will appear in search results and social media previews. Enter a concise tagline that summarizes what you offer and click Enter once more to save this information. Proceed by clicking on Create My Site. This button will initiate the final steps of the setup process. You may see a message that says, "Please wait, your site is brewing." This indicates that the system is currently generating your website. As the site is being generated, you will need to wait again. A message may indicate that this process might take a while. During this time, ensure your internet connection remains stable to avoid interruptions. After the generation process is complete, you will receive a notification confirming that your drop servicing website has been successfully created. You can now start customizing it further or adding content as needed. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.